Hi friends, today we discuss topic instruction set and programming of 8085 microprocessor, and unit we discuss today ADC R instruction. ADC R instruction means that add A with register with carry. That means whenever this instruction is executed, then what happen? The content of A register is added with content of general purpose register given in instruction and content of carry, that is content of A, content of register given in instruction and content of carry. These all three are added. Then result, that is sum, is stored into A register. Addressing mode for this instruction is register. Length for this instruction is 1 byte and group for this instruction is arithmetical group, and after execution all flags are affected. See here example ADC B. Then suppose we take value of A here F4H, value of B is 7EH, value of carry is 1, then instruction ADC B is executed. Then after execution the accumulator is 73H and carry is produced. How this is? See practically. See here, I take content of A is F4H, content of B is 7EH, carry is set, then ADC B is executed. Then see here, A is here 00H and all things are 00H. I execute this program. Then after execution in accumulator is equal to 73H. We see here, and B is equal to 7EH, and flags are affected in here such as S is equal to 0, Z is equal to 0, auxiliary is equal to 1, then parity is equal to 0 and carry is equal to 1. Then next instruction is ADC M. Whenever this instruction is executed, then what happened? The content of A register, that is accumulator, is added with content of M register, which is addressed by HL, that is M register point to its HL address, and content of carry is added in their sum. Then result is stored in accumulator or A register. Addressing mode for this instruction is register indirect. Why it is register indirect? Because M register is an one operand, that is it point to HL register pair, so that addressing mode is register indirect. Length for this instruction is 1 byte and group for this instruction is arithmetical, and all flags are affected by this instruction. Example ADC M. Here one example I can given. A is equal to 4BH, M, and which have address C900H, and here that content, that is content DBH, and carry is equal to 1. Then after execution what happened? A is equal to 27H and carry is equal to 1. Then practically I can execute here. What is content of A? Content of A is 4BH. HL is initialized as LXIH. LXIH C900H, and here data is MVI. What is data in HL? DBH. then carry is affected, then ADC M is executed. Then I execute this thing. Here A is equal to, we can see that A is equal to 27H, and flags are affected such as carry is equal to 1, parity is equal to 1, auxiliary carry is equal to 1, Z is equal to 0, and sign is equal to 0. Then we seen next instruction, ACI data. Whenever this type of instruction is executed, then what happen? The content of A register, that is accumulator, is added with 8-bit data given in instruction and carry content. Then all these things, that is all these sum is stored into A register, that is result stored in A register. Addressing mode for this instruction is immediate. Length for this instruction is 2 byte. Then group for this instruction is arithmetical. Then all flags is affected by this instruction. Then here example is ACI data is given. Here 9BH data is given. A is equal to 6 EH, carry is equal to 1. Then instruction executed as like this, ACI 9BH. Then what happened? A is equal to 0 AH. How this can be? See here with practical. What is content of A? A is equal to carry is set. Then I can give instruction here, ACI 9BH. I execute this program. Here I can see that A is equal to 0 AH, and flags are affected such as sign is equal to 0, Z is equal to 0, red color is indicate that set, auxiliary is equal to 1, parity is equal to 1, and carry is equal to 1. Then we study in this period the addition instruction with carry, that is ADC R, ADC M, then ACI data. These all 3 instruction is used for to addition with carry. We will be stop here. In next video we will be meet